Hi guys, so we're in the in our room 2084. Look at this, nice double bed there. Massive that bed, isn't it?
Okay.
So we've got an outside cabin. That's the window. We've got storage, bedside cabinets and lights. Massive mirror here, aren't we?
Our friend wife, aren't we?
I know, yeah. Got a TV. We've got a safe, it's complimentary. There you go. Complimentary safe. We've got more storage at the side with mirrors.
Do you want to open a case for me?
Yep. We've got tea, we've got coffee. Nice little kettle there. You've got a phone and air conditioning,
That needs turning down.
which is freezing here. We need to look at that. We've got mirrors. It's mirror central in here, isn't it? Everywhere. Got nice lighting. Storage. We've got a massive double wardrobe.
Straws everywhere. Loads of
I know, yeah. Yeah, I didn't see them.
straws. Put it in
Yeah,
the
we've got
shit we went on.
got 3 drawers. We've got 3 small drawers and 4 real big drawers. Yeah. And people were saying about plug sockets. So in here we've got plug sockets here. Are they UK plug sockets?
Oh, you are kidding.
Let's
No,
have a
they're
look.
not.
It doesn't matter because we've got the other
Oh, you
ones.
brought 'em?
Yeah, yeah. Let's have a look. Yeah, so they're European and we got USB, so that's good. You got 110 volt, which is like the USA, which we won't be using. So these are the ones we'll be using. We have brought a 4-way extension, which is a good tip. Yorkshire tea, Nescafe, all good. We've got a double wardrobe, which I was getting to, with plenty of hangers. There you got all your safety stuff. Your muster station, which in this floor is muster station 12, which we're going to have to watch the video on TV and then show you the bathroom. Got a bathroom in here, so I've got a toilet in the corner, got a nice shower, nice size shower. We've been on cruise ships before and they've been tiny. This is pretty good, to be honest. Got a nice sink there, again, more mirrors. This room's not lacking mirrors, is it? Then you've got your towels, you've got your bath towels, and you've got your hand towels in there. Underneath you've got a nice little waste bin, more towels. So yeah, more towels. So yeah, all in all, it's all good. You happy? Yep, all good. We're here for a week, so it'll do us nicely, I think, won't it? That bed looks mint. And you get free towels for the swimming pool, which they lay down on the bed for you. They also do a turn down service every night, so look forward to that. Don't know if I mentioned the TV, but got a TV there which you can see the boat dock every morning. So brilliant, all good. We're here finally. It was a bit stressful this afternoon coming through that airport, absolute chaotic, but we're here and we're going to enjoy our week. So yeah, all good.